After leaving behind a wonderful Glitvich reserve, we made our way to the coast. Our first stop, Zadar. This is Zadar. We just arrived and we rested a little bit and we decided to get something to eat. So we're gonna go do that now. Right now we are at the musical stairs in Zagreb, and as you can hear, these sounds are made by waves that hit some underground pipes that go underneath the stairs, and it produces these kinds of sounds every time it hits. What did you say? Yeah, very interesting. Many interesting things can be said about this coastal town. For example, the Red Cross organization was founded here in 1878. Also, by walking among the streets, you can feel the rich history through Roman medieval architecture, and so much more. At nighttime, everything came to life. Restaurants opened, people buzzing everywhere. The atmosphere was cozy and inviting. The next day we decided to head back to the mountainside to Krka Waterfalls. We witnessed an impressive landscape while on the road, however things didn't turn out the way we expected in the end. So we tried to go to Krka Waterfalls today because we wanted to go swim, and we heard that we can do that there because the Glitvich is forbidden. But we got there and it was full of tourists and we were told that we're not allowed to swim, so we got a tip from a lady working there that we can go to another spot somewhere up the stream, and it's called Rosh Gastow. And here apparently you can go and swim and do whatever you want. It's a bunch of waterfalls as well. So we're gonna go do that right now. It's a nice little town, and on the way here it was really beautiful. We got through a bunch of mountains, and it's a national reservation, so yeah, it's super fun. And we just passed a restaurant where we can eat and just stay in a waterfall with our feet. It's It's gonna be super fun.
Hallo, ik heb een van de stad.
Oh, okay. Hello. 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 More adventures coming up. Leave a like if you enjoyed and stay tuned.